What's up, Pyros? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking cracker stash, ground salutes, mini salute canister shells you throw on the ground, whatever you want to call them. This box we got we just gonna call these, if you know, you know. And if you don't know, you should know. Heavy hitters. Heavy hitters. Yep. Little goodie box. Got some smaller ones. As you can see, I like the dabble. Some M80s. Yep. So this box is a banner. All banners. They're loud. Like I said, if you know, you know. So let's discover and get into some more stuff. Alright, so continuing on, and let me know what your favorite crackers are. So we got some plastic Feza, whatever you want to call it. Pretty nice pop on these. I enjoy them. We got little Uzis. I know some people were saying they was having trouble getting these. My personal plugs has them all the time, so not really an issue on getting little Uzis. And we got 9mm left. I'm gonna grab a couple more of these. They're pretty nice. They pop. Of course, got the quietest of the bunch, I believe, is the rabbit scares. Whistle before boom. Still pretty cool. Pretty neat. And we got Crazy Kings. Need to pick up a couple more of these. I'll put one back in the collection. We got the Gangsters. One to play with. One up in the collection. I like the Gangster crackers. Pretty neat. And we got a couple of the bunny ears. Got King Cobras, coconut bombs, bomb pops. Got the half sticks. Got all those. Not all of them. If somebody knows where I can get, someone told me I need to pick up demon bunnies, or not demon, yeah, demon bunnies and demon crackers. I have not seen those here, so if anyone knows where I can pick them up or who has them in Indiana, email me. Let me know an email where I can get them, if you know. Got some little flashbang crackers up here, some zippers. And then we got, of course, another favorite, Jiminy Crickets, classic. And Gunhei Fat Choi. I don't speak Chinese, but love the cracker rolls. Then we got some more mini canister salutes, quarters. Been around for a while, so yeah. It's all the crackers I got. I haven't not looked into buying a bunch. I'm gonna get some more though. I got a huge order of crackers coming in. They're not in yet, but yeah, leave me in the comments. Let me know what your favorite crackers are. Let me know what you think I should get, and I'll do it. If I can grab it, I'll buy them. So, it's gonna end this video. It's cracker ground salute stash for right now. See what I can get my hands on before 250th anniversary 2026. Later, pyros. Get your stashes going for next year. Big year. Peace.